We start by creating a Vite project and installing the required dependencies, React Redux, Redux Toolkit, Axios, and Tailwind CSS. We also have GitHub API, and here is the API info in JSON. Next, we configure our Redux store in store.js. Here we combine the Thunk reducer and RTK query API reducer, and also attach RTK query middleware for caching and autofetching. In userslice.js, we create an async action using createAsync Thunk. This fetches data from GitHub API and updates our store state based on pending, fulfilled, or rejected actions. Then, in GitHub API.js, we set up RTK query with createAPI. It handles data fetching and caching automatically with minimal code. Now, let's build our UI in app.jsx. We use an input field and a fetch button. The profile card displays user image, name, bio, repos, followers, and following. Tailwind CSS provides utility classes for a clean and responsive design. Inside the card, we dynamically show profile data once fetched. The avatar appears at the top, followed by user details in a neatly styled layout with rounded corners and shadows. Redux Thunk handles async calls manually, giving us full control. RTK query simplifies the process, handling caching, refetching, and loading states automatically. Finally, we run our app, search for a GitHub username, and see real-time data displayed beautifully in our profile card. That's it. We successfully built a GitHub user profile app using Redux Thunk, RTK query, and Tailwind CSS.